How's it, guys? Good evening. This is Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is my 2004 Toyota Camry. It has a check engine light. Let's check it out. This has 250,000 miles. Okay, let's do this. P0441 is evap, 446 evap, 455 evap, P2238 O2 sensor, positive current control circuit, low bank 1, sensor 1. That's the one before the cat. Go back, check the freeze frame. So the first code that came up is P2238. Okay, that means there is an open in the sensor. The sensor has never been changed. Car has 250,000 miles, so I think it's about time to change it. So let's do that. O2 sensor, also known as air fuel ratio sensors, right there. Right here. Press here and pull. Press pull. Dang it. Oh, dude, that's hard, bruh. Why is it always hard to come off, huh? Why? Let's use this. Go in there. There you go. Dang. It's right there. This one. Drop that. This is 12 swivel. Oh, damn. I don't want it to round out. Okay, we got this. Shit. Weak. Oh, yes. Ooh. Good. Good. That's it. Okay, that's good. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Alright, that was easy. Alright. I wonder if you try to clean this, will it work? What's the part number? 89467-33080. Get a new one. That's it. Then so from AutoZone 2344624. It's not long enough. Yeah. Short. Shit. Let's return it. Fuck. Just came from AutoZone and O'Reilly's. They do not have the same length. So you know what? I'm just gonna spray this sucker. Get it in your hole. I need to put some of this bad boy. Reset the light and test drive it. See if the light comes back on. That's it. If not, if the light comes back on, I'm gonna buy it. Alright, good. Alright, let's see. O2 sensor. See, code's still there. We're gonna replace it now. Ouch! Hit my fucking thumb. The new one is 89467-06030. Let's see the same length. Reset the light, erase code. That's a $200 part right there, man. to drive it for at least 30 miles. Right now it's 249,758. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. God bless and peace. Cut.